Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account access. Open TikTok and attempt login using your verified email or phone. If two FA prompts appear, follow the code flow. You must have access to that device or email. Once done, make sure the app is updated because old builds can drop sessions. If you use a password manager, paste credentials rather than autofill sometimes. You want a clean, successful sign-in before moving to device and network checks. Now address device-level causes. Force close TikTok and clear cache first. If the issue persists, clear app data or reinstall to reset corrupted session tokens. Next, go to Account Security and sign out unknown devices to invalidate stale sessions that trigger logouts. Also inspect OS settings, battery saver, app background restrictions, or a VPN can drop authentication. Make sure TikTok is allowed background activity so session cookie. Finish by logging back in on your primary device and enable any Remember Me or Stay Signed In option. Test stability over 24 to 48 hours while using a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection. If you still get logged out, reset your password to force all sessions to re-authenticate. This often fixes account-side session loops. If problems continue, contact TikTok support with timestamps and device details. Meanwhile, avoid frequent password changes, which can trigger more security checks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.